Yo, what's up guys? Andy here with another episode of Tap Lab, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to delete a saved chat on Snapchat. So I'm going to open up this A2 here. This is my other account. So as you know, people can save your chats. So when someone else saves one of your chats, it'll have like this line on the left and the background will be slightly gray. And if you save a chat, the line on the left will be like thicker and it will also have a gray background. So the one on the top is the one that my other account saved. So this is like if someone else saves a chat and then you want to delete the chat that they saved so that they no longer have it saved anymore. Here's what you want to do. You want to hold down or sort of long press on the chat. And that's going to open up these options. And then down here on the bottom, it'll say delete. So you can go ahead and tap on that. And then it's going to give you like the warning pop-up, delete chat. Friends can see that you've deleted something. So they're going to be able to see that you deleted something. They might not know exactly what it is if you have a lot of saved chats or something like that. Or if it's an old chat, they're probably not going to be able to scroll through and figure out what you deleted. But anyways, then you just want to hit delete. That's going to remove the chat from the list, as you can see it did there. And you can see at the top of the screen it says you deleted a chat. And there you have it, how to delete a saved chat on Snapchat. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for daily videos. Drop a like on this video if you enjoyed it. Turn on post notifications, all that good stuff. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.